I don't know what to do about torpedoes. Hello again, everyone. Dark Xenos here with the other fun thing about it. Uh, sorry, my brain will catch up immediately at some point in time. Um, Epic Game released 2 free games today. One was Mortal Shell. There will be a link to that video. And second is a big part or a big free thing for World of Warships.
Battle starts.
We're in a little cruiser and we're having fun. Cruiser, cruising around. There we go. We got some speed going. Oh, look at the snow and ice on my boat. We're gonna just drive right up this alley here in our little cruiser. I think we're the Erie. This is exciting.
Set a smoke screen. Enemy force detected. All stations retreat.
Can they really shoot over the...
Enemy cruiser sighted. Acknowledged.
Ow! Doing warships always kind of hurts my head. Oh! Fire now. Fire! Fire everything! Turning around. Anytime you want to fire, people. Come on, broadside him. Oh, we're gonna hit our friend.
Don't fire at your allies.
I'm not trying to. Ow. Come on. Just sink. Yeah.
Taking the lead. Enemy cruiser foundered.
What does foundered mean? I don't think my guns are actually big enough to... Ooh, wait. Oh, we're going to crash into that. Yeah, we sunk a warship, everyone. Fire! Sorry. We just need to stay in this area for 8 more seconds. And we've won! Yeah! We did it with our little boat. Now we can get... Yeah. Yeah. Let's get our new ship. I don't care about that right now. We go to the tech tree. And we can get to Chester. Oh, it's like a steamboat. It's like the Titanic, anyway. Okay. So we'll do that, and then... But look, this is what's cool about this game. It's like battleships. The Montana, Iowa, Minnesota. I think you can also get carriers. Yeah, look, aircraft carrier. They have they have the Midway, the Essex, but let's do another battle. As the Chester. 5 cruisers, 4 cruisers, a destroyer. A lot of cruisers. There were some battleships in that other group, man. That would have been, I feel like... Alrighty, here we go again. Full steam ahead. What kind of guns do I got on? I got like some old-timey guns. How is this gun better than the other one? Maybe it goes faster. Hiya!
Action stations.
That sounded cool.
Good luck, everyone.
I'm just curious. You know, the crazy thing about naval battles, though, is how maneuverable boats are. You wouldn't think that they would be as maneuverable as they are, but man. The calm before the storm.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
there's our guys.
Enemy battleship detected.
Oh, crap. Hey, we hit him! We hit him. Nope. Now we need to not lead him as much. Is that a battleship? Are we taking on a battleship as this little cruiser that I don't know that much about? And now we spin into a maelstrom of death. Okay, this boat is pretty good. Come on. Last one hit him. Come on! I missed every shot. He sunk. Ooh!
Our team has taken the lead.
Good. I don't want to hit that.
Torpedoes to starboard.
What? Man, okay. We gotta go back to this mode. I don't know if these are like World War I boats or what. But I'm gonna gang up on this little. This is actually very intense. Ha. Oh, those are torpedoes. Who has torpedoes? I think these are all just AI right now too. Oh, I hate you.
Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes to starboard.
Come on. I don't know what to do about torpedoes.
Enemy cruiser destroyed.
Yeah, but we got him. Hit him right under the water line, so they sink. Guns turn. Ooh. Fire! Let's see like this. Ships can take a lot more punishment than you would think. Although I have like 200 hit points left. $80 hit points left. There I go. Oh, now what? Do I just have to wait? That's lame. It's gonna be a different warship. Well, this is as good a time as any to stop. Alright, well, thank you so much, everyone. The link will be in the description for the free thing of the week and the game. But yeah, this game was fun. It was different. And yeah. Anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya!